Introduction: CSS Margin is a fundamental concept in web designing. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS Margin pertains to the space around an element outside any defined borders. It plays a significant role in controlling layout and appearance of elements on a web page. Defining CSS Margin property creates space around elements outside any defined borders. It provides control over the margins for each side of an element: top, right, bottom, left. The shorthand margin property can change all four margins at once. Understanding margin collapsing. Margin collapsing is a unique aspect of CSS Margin. When top and bottom margins of two elements meet, they collapse into one, taking the larger of the two values. Using negative margins. Negative values can also be used for margins. Negative margins can be used to overlap content or to pull elements out of the regular flow. Tips, tricks, and common errors. Be aware of margin collapsing, as it can affect the layout in unexpected ways. Remember the order when using shorthand to define margins: top, right, left, RBL. Vertical margins can increase or decrease the total height of an element if it has a specified height. Negative margins can cause overlapping of elements, so always thoroughly test your design. Conclusion: mastering CSS Margin gives greater control over the layout of designs. Be aware of margin collapsing, the shorthand order, the effect of margins on an element's total height, and the potential pitfalls of negative margins. Applying these tips can help avoid common errors and create more effective and professional designs.